Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says the pH of milk lies between the options are 6.6 and 6.9, 2.60 and 4.40, 7.0 and 7.5 or in between 7.35 and 7.45. तो ये हमें pH की रेंज दी हुई है जिसमें से हमें ये फिगर आउट करना है कि pH ऑफ मिल्क की क्या रेंज है. The key concept here is pH of milk. pH क्या होता है? It is the negative log of hydrogen ion concentration. pH values हमें ये बताती है whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral. तो पहले हम pH values का रिलेशन देख लेते हैं to the nature of solution. तो अगर pH value lies between 1 to 6.9 तो जनरली इस pH वैल्यू के जो स्पीशीज होते हैं दैट आर एसिडिक इन नेचर. pH 7 है अगर किसी स्पीशी का तो उसे हम न्यूट्रल क्लासिफाई करते हैं. दैट मीन्स इट इज नीदर एसिडिक नॉर बेसिक. वेयर एज pH ऑफ 7.1 to 14 is generally associated with basic nature. Okay. अब हम pH of milk देख लेते हैं कि कहाँ पे इसकी रेंज लाई करती है. So pH of milk is slightly below neutral. तो न्यूट्रल जो pH होता है that is 7. तो slightly below neutral is value slightly below neutral would be around 6.6 to 6.9. So this is the pH range of milk. The exact value depends upon the source of the milk. तो ये value जो below neutral है that is towards acidic side. This is probably because milk produce lactic acid. So presence of lactic acid can be associated to the pH of milk that is below neutral towards the acidic side. तो जो दूसरे pH values हमें दी हुई हैं which is 2.60 and 4.40 तो ये values depict the acidic नेचर. तो ये एसिडिक pH वैल्यूज हैं. तो इसके एग्जांपल्स अगर देखें तो दीज विल बी विनेगर जिसका pH होता है अराउंड 2.9 एंड वाइन which is 3.5. The exact value again differ from the source and preparation but the values are around these. Next is 7.0 and 7.5. तो 7 pH depicts neutral and 7.5 would be slightly acidic. तो ये pH values जो हैं these depict neutral to slightly basic pH. इसके अगर हम examples देखें तो perfect example of neutral would be water जिसका pH है 7.0 pH value. The next pH range is 7.35 and 7.45. तो ये pH depicts the basic nature. तो ये basic pH range है. इसके examples अगर हम देखें तो it would be blood, human blood जिसका pH होता है 7.4 which is basic in nature. So we can say that the pH of milk lies between 6.6 and 6.9. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.